What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the glowing text in a CapCut. So there will be the several tricks that you can find over here. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to upload, let's say, the black picture as the background over here, and after that you can start to put the text, a text over here. For example, I will type glowing and adjust to it, and for the font here I will choose the, for example, this one, and I will also adjust the size. And if you would like to know about the inspiration of the glowing effect, so you can go to this template, and as you can see there are a lot of style of the glowing effect and also the movement guys. For example, the yes here, it actually show you the glowing effects too, and also for the radiant they will also show you the glowing effect and also give the motion or the movement of this text too. And for the fitness, you'll see that this give you the glowing effects and make the word can be built one by one from the first letter. And if you choose this new era, for example, it will also show you the glowing effect. And the another trick that you can use is you can go to this style, and you'll see the category down here and choose the glow, and there you'll see two options of the glowing effect. For example, this one, or you can choose this one, this option that contains the diamond. It should be the, you need the subscription if you'd like to render it or make it or save it into your device. Like this, you can use this option, or you can also create it by make this text to be the clip first. You can go to the export and kindly wait for the exporting process. And you can go back to this section, and I will remove this text first. And for example, I will start to add the rendered clip before. Click this one. And you can select this clip, and after that you can go to the effect, the video effect, and after that you can start to choose the effect, and choose the light category. And for example, you can choose this glow 2, and this will be the glowing effects of this text now. So that's all guys, don't forget to try tip and trick, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.